Okay. Hello, friends. Today, again, the most important topic from your entire English syllabus. And to be very clear, to be very precise about it, the favorite topic for the examiners and the most inspirational one for you and me, one and all. The topic is based upon the story, the life history of none other than the CEO of Apple, ex CEO of Apple, who went on to become, whose story can be labeled very nicely from rags to riches. What can be story named is very clearly from rags to riches, based upon Mr. Steve Jobs. Mr. Steve Jobs is a founder, the person who the person who had an initiative, the inception of an idea of having Apple, all the sorts of laptops, computers, mobiles, everything regarding the techno world of Apple today is what the brain behind that is by of me, Mr. Steve Jobs. And the topic's name is very simple. The topic's name is connecting the dots. In real terms, इसका मतलब क्या है? Connecting the dots मतलब इसका मतलब क्या है? Understand? जैसे यहाँ पे भी दिया है. You have A, B, C, everything. All the dots have been given over here as well. What exactly this means? You know, children, in our life, many small incidences happen. छोटी मोटी चीजें हमारी जिंदगी में होती रहती हैं, and we learn something from them and we try to go ahead. When we learn something from them, when we try to go ahead from those things, what comes up between is learning lessons. And these learning lessons, end of the day, form the bigger picture of our life. And this is what is called, or this is what is an exact meaning of connecting the dots. छोटी मोटी चीजें connect करते 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 you see a bigger picture ahead, and that is what is called as connecting the dots. Over here, this topic is being divided into varied parts of all the activity based questions and all. But as every time we have this habit and we will continue with the same, let's note down how many stars will this topic hold into our syllabus. How many stars this topic will hold? 5 stars in our syllabus. Important hai? So we'll be giving it 5 stars. Okay. Activity based questions important कौन से हैं? You are quite familiar with computers, especially the personal computers. Form pairs and make a list of famous computer manufacturing companies. One is being given to you. We know it very well. Second one is HP, Herbert Packard, what is being known as. Third is Lenovo. Number fourth one can be Dell. So these are the various companies which manufactures computers and laptops. Web diagram. Fill in the web diagrams. Next question important. Benefits of computers, of course it's a techno world, so technology को हमारे में हमको बहुत यूज होता है. Number second, if we have computers, it is absolutely information oriented. Number third, we get used to, or what can be better is we get accustomed to computers in detail. Very simple. Number four, benefits of computers also help us rather in making us aware about happening and non-happening of things around, as it gives rise to www, that's World Wide Web. Okay, in simple. Next activity, expand the following into their full form. That's it, which means that is. Can't is cannot. Didn't is didn't it, did it, or did not it. I have, IHAVE. Here, which means here is. Next one, write shortened forms of the following. Guys, we will learn this very well. This is not the shortened form, mark it very well, but this is what we learn in our beautiful topic or beautiful study called as question tags. इसमें हम लोग ये पढ़ते हैं. Whenever a sentence given is positive, we make the question tag as negative. A sentence positive, which means what? Sentence is free from any sort of negation. No, not, neither, never, not only but also, these are all negations. If these words don't come in the sentence, usko kaha jata hai positive sentence. If these words come up in the sentence, this is called as negative sentence. Is that clear, everybody? तो अगर सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव है तो उसका क्वेश्चन टैग हम लोग नेगेटिव बनाते हैं. अगर सेंटेंस नेगेटिव है तो उसका क्वेश्चन टैग हम लोग पॉजिटिव बनाएंगे. And what do we make question tags of? We make question tags of something called as irregular verbs. किसके question tag बनाते हैं बेटा हम लोग? We make question tags of irregular verbs or also called as modals. कौन से हैं? Is, was, are, were, has, have, had. All these are called as modals. इसके क्वेश्चन टैग्स हम बनाते हैं. इस का आएगा isn't, was का आएगा wasn't, are का आएगा aren't, were का आएगा weren't. So this is how we make it. When the list continues, does, doesn't, has, do, did, does, shall, should, will, would, won't. So these things come up as your question tags. You have shortened forms of the following: you apostrophe, I would, ILD, or I apostrophe D. It is, it's, you are. He will, he apostrophe LL. Will not, so it will be won't. Shall not, so it will be shan't. So this is how we make shortened forms of this. Let's get to the lesson. Again, lesson in the brief summarized pattern, but lesson के ऊपर PR questions आते हैं, and these PR questions I believe should compulsorily have about the author, and authors for today's beautiful chapter is none other than Steve Jobs, who lived from 1955 till 2011. Unfortunately passed away in 2011. Was an American entrepreneur, business magnate, inventor and industrial designer. What do we mean by entrepreneur? My dear friends, get back to this. Entrepreneur का मतलब क्या है? Entrepreneur is a French word. कौन सा word है ये बेटा? This is a French word. This has got origin from French because it begins from two words. One is entrant and another word which means preneur. So entrant, which means one who enters into the process of making business or doing business, is called as an entrepreneur. And this is the same person who manages with 5 M's of the business. कौन से हैं? Men, material, machinery, money, and the last is management. So this is how it is called as an entrepreneur. He was a chairman, CEO and co-founder of Apple Inc. INC का मतलब है Apple Incorporation. American terms में और business terms में you never call it as a company. We always call it as an INC, incorporation, which means a company or an artificial organization given a sense in legal terms called as incorporation. He is widely recognized as one of the pioneers of the microcomputer revolution of the 70s and 80s. Microcomputer revolution of 70s and 80s. Coming back. Story or the topic is divided into 3 main parts: story 1, story 2 and story 3. Let's get back to this and then we will understand small phrases in this. The first story, okay, the first story is about what he's been talking about is you have to trust in some things, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down. So the first story which Steve Jobs has been talking about is the story of he being a college dropout. He was studying in Reed's College. He was a college dropout. Studies did not interest him more, and he was a college dropout finally. He learnt over there something called as calligraphy. Very simple, my dear children. Along with calligraphy, he also learned something called what was helpful to him later on at Mac Computers when he designed Apple. And eventually, he has talked about in this story also about important thing of karma. Karma is what we do comes back to us. What goes around comes around. This is called as karma of life. Coming back to it. Today I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. That's it. Just 3 stories. You know, my dear friends, where has he talked about this? Jobs has talked about this lesson not as a lesson but as an inspirational speech when he was called at Reed's College in 2009-10 as far as I go, when he was expected to deliver a speech for the graduates over there. And delivering a speech in the same college wherein he was a college dropout is delivering a speech as the greatest entrepreneur to have lived on this earth. Isn't that that's not something called as a legacy? Yes, that's what we should aim about. Life is not just the race. Get up early morning, you work hard and then you sleep. That's not life. Doing something great and more importantly doing something passionate. That's what Steve Jobs has talked about in this chapter of connecting the dots. Okay, so over here he's talked about this thing, and the second story is about love and loss. Second story is about love and loss. You cannot only connect them looking backwards, you have to connect them looking forwards as well. Clear, everybody? Yes. You have to trust in one thing: your gut, destiny, and life. That's important. But along with that, the second story which Steve Jobs has talked about is love and loss. I found what I loved to do early in my life was, that is, Steve Wozniak, and I started Apple when I was 20. In 10 years, Apple had grown from just two of us in a garage into a $2 billion company, and then I got fired up. My dear friends, coming back to this part of the lesson again. The second story of Steve Jobs, second story, I'm sorry, the second story, we'll decide. The second story of Steve Jobs, second story, talked about what? It talks about love and loss. He started a company called Apple with his friend Steve Wozniak, and the same company fired him. Fired him ka matlab hai, he was thrown out of the same company. But something slowly began to dawn on me. I still love what I did, and so I decided to start over. In the same time, he started a new company called as Pixar, and Pixar is world's most successful animation studio. One door closed for him, he went on to open the another door for his own self. That's an opportunity given to him. And now over here, when he's talked about Apple, the company which he found on his own, the same company threw him out, and he went on to find Pixar again, Pixar, which was the world's best animation studio. And then reality में ऐसा है that Apple feared somewhere that Pixar might purchase them out, so they went to Steve Jobs and said, "Sorry, please come back." And that's when he was allowed to come back into the company again and find to be called as a permanent CEO of the company. Isn't that destiny of life? Absolutely. And over here, this is about the first part of the story, and second part of the story is about his love. That's when he married his wife Lauren, and they have two wonderful children. That's when Steve Jobs says that, and Lauren and I have a wonderful family together. Did we understand this? They have given something important. Sometime life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. What is the meaning of this? Give a great shock. Life gives you a great shock. You never know. Something can happen, and something can happen terribly in our lives. That's what Steve Jobs has called it as. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. The third story is about death. This is an important story of Mr. Steve Jobs again. Third story is about death. Why death? Why? Because in no time he was told by his doctors that he's been diagnosed with a rare form of pancreatic cancer. See, it has been mentioned clearly over here. Doctors discovered that I have a rare form of pancreatic cancer which is curable with surgery. I had the surgery and I'm fine now. Before that, he has said, and my doctors advised me to go home and get my affairs done in order, which is doctor's code for prepare to die. In India, we call it as a will. Over there in foreign countries, doctors call it as preparing your affairs done, which means get your affairs done, which means preparing to die. I lived with the diagnosis all day. He got operated and he's fine. Touch wood. God's been very kind to him. This was the closest I have been to facing death, and I hope it's the closest I get a few more decades. Having lived through, I can now say this to you: your time is limited. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. What others feel good might not be good for you, but what we feel good might not be good for others. So let's enjoy and be happy in what is good for us, because that's what life is all about. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of the other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinion drown out on your inner voice. Don't get trapped. What others say, it's a peer pressure. Do what you like is the most important. And accordingly, he's shown it clearly. He says it at the end: I wish you stay hungry, stay foolish. Which means start every day as if it's a fresh day. What does this mean? Start every day as a fresh day. Start fresh, live best, and live as if it's the last day of your life. Because if you start every day as the first day and the last day of your life, that's when we will have that inspiration to live it to the best. That's when Steve Jobs says it clearly that every day I look into the mirror and say, I want to work for this one face in the mirror. Work for yourself. That's what Steve Jobs has said. Is that clear, everybody? So, three stories from the life. First story, when he was dropped out of the Reeds College, he learned calligraphy there, which he used it eventually at Macintosh computers. Second story about love and loss. He loved what he did. Apple, the company which he found on his own, he was thrown out of the same company very sadly, which eventually then he went on to form Pixar, and Pixar thought at Pixar went on to become the greatest animation studio in the world. Apple feared it might be the end for Apple itself. They said sorry to Steve's and he got them back into the company. And second story is about loss. About love. He got married to his longtime friend Lauren, and they both have wonderful family together. Third story is about death when Steve was diagnosed with a rare form of pancreatic cancer. And apart from diagnosing with the pancreatic cancer, he also was advised by his doctors to get his affairs done, which is one of the doctor's ways of preparing to die. Hopefully, surgery was successful. He was out of it, and he says with a very nice message to all of us: stay hungry, stay foolish. Now, बच्चों ध्यान दो. इस लेसन में there are few things which are very important. You have to definitely refer something called as this. Here's a list of amazing life lessons we can all learn from Steve Jobs. You have to definitely take this mark. You have to read it very well. Lesson has a few phrases. Life hits you hard. Stay hungry. Stay foolish. They have also given something like this is something called as I got fired out. Began to dawn upon. So these are the various phrases. Lesson में phrases जरूर है. New words are there. You have to definitely go through them. Activities में will definitely be checking those words as well. Rearrange the incidents in the life of Steve Jobs' chronological order. Important as per the sequences mentioned. Okay. For example, we can have the first one. This is the first one. This is first. Then after that, learn to serif and sans serif. This is second one again. Then after that, you can have the third one is Jobs return to Apple. Sorry, third one is started his next company. Return to Apple. Diagnosed with married Lauren. Diagnosed with cancer, and then eventually surgery. That's when he says at the end, stay hungry, stay foolish. Clear, everybody? So you can definitely refer these things as well. Okay. After that is next activity based question. Flowchart again. As per the happenings of the lesson, you have to go with the flowchart. But story कौन सी दी है? Third story में जो happenings है. Diagnosed with cancer, doctors order to get the affairs check done. It could be cured, operation, surgery, fine, stay hungry and stay free. So this is how the orders have to be mentioned. So for this, make sure you are reading the lesson quite well. Next one. Phrases with match the pair properly. Diagnosis. What is the meaning of this diagnosis? Power believed to control events, complete list of items, act of nature of problem or illness. Doctor diagnose करते हैं? Yes. Devastating. What is the meaning of devastating? Power of understanding situation or people's feelings beforehand. Cause of getting destruction. Intuition. Power of understanding situation. जो अंदर की बात है ना, which you intuitively understand, that's called as intuition. Calligraphy. Beautiful handwriting. Destiny. Destiny, power, belief to control events, and catalog. Description in a proper order. Go through all the three stories, identify some qualities of Steve Jobs, and complete the web chart. Steve Jobs: curiosity, determination, dedication, hardworking, always positive. Now, my dear friends, you can use a better word for this also. Positive के लिए another word could be optimistic. Another word could be optimistic. Is that clear? Then we can also have something called as he was always motivational to the people. Yes or no? He motivated the world. What he's been through. The three stories, motivation. Okay, so this is another activity based question which is important. Yeah, complete the following. Just refer this part. First story, out of the school, dropped out of the Reeds College, reaction, learned serif and sans serif, achievements, could use it in Macintosh computers. Second story about love and loss, a setback, thrown out of the company, which he himself founded, reaction, went on to form Pixar, achievements, he went to marry his wife, and again Apple Alliance took him back. Third story is about diagnosed with cancer, surgery, operation, and everything. This is about the fourth one. Next one is use the following idioms or phrases in your own sentences. Extremely important question. Definite question in an exam. Drop it. What is the meaning of drop it? Drop it is to put down. Second one, stumble upon, come across. Stumble upon is to come across. Look forward, look ahead. Look in future. Sign off is to end. Drop out, drop out is to withdraw. Look backwards is end. Let someone down, to make someone feel guilty. That's called as let someone down. Begin anew, which means to start afresh. Is that clear, my dear friends? Yes. Some of the activity based questions again. The wealthy landlord made a will dash before he could die. Made a will, get his affairs done. First one. Those who aspire for success should always dash to learn more. Should always stay hungry to learn more. If you dash, you will realize that crime ultimately leads to poverty. If you connect the dots, very simple. So this is how the activity based questions are being done. Name the tense of the verbs underlined to include past, present, future, and aspect. Simple continuous. I slept on the floor. Guys, this part of this will be learning in tenses. I'll be making one separate video for grammar. In that, you can definitely refer this part for tenses, types of tenses, present, past, and future, and how the voice also goes for it in detail. Example है, so we'll check into it. Slept, past tense. You haven't found it. Haven't found. Has or have plus pp. So present perfect. We were designing. Past continuous. I had made. Past perfect. I am fine now. I am fine now. Simple present. I have been facing. Present perfect continuous. So this is how tenses work. Change the tense. I got fired. Future perfect. I will have got fired. Life hits you in head. Present perfect continuous. Life has been hitting you in head. The dots will somehow connect. The dots connected because we are using the past tense about it. Clear, everybody? Next is the resume writing. This resume writing we don't have in the papers, but still as an activity based question we can take it later on. Preparing a speech on the will to win to be delivered before the class. My dear friends, speech writing, compulsory question in the paper. This question comes for 5 marks. Of course, not compulsory, there's an option for it. Title, introduction, object, illustration, specific examples. Guys, when you have speech writing, always remember speech writing has to be bang on. It should be as if you're talking or delivering a speech in front of few audiences. And this is how you will be going for the speech writing. Market, speech writing never comes singular. It will always be an option with report writing. So accordingly, we'll be having to learn it in detail. Speech writing. Speech may you should add in good words, better words, inspirational words, because let the readers, let the listeners understand what exactly you're trying to say. Clear, everybody? This is what is exactly about this topic, connecting the dots with activity based questions. Also, we have finished. We saw one grammar part, that is question tags. Tenses in detail we'll be seeing in my coming videos. So stay updated. Thank you so much, everyone.